If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create taco breakfast with a lot of power. For now, all you need is a couple of flour, tortillas, couple eggs, some onion, tomato, one or two, avocado if you like them, lime. I have some chorizo. This one is beef, by the way. Couple jalapeno, cilantro. I have here red bell pepper. Clearly you're going to need some oil and salt, which I'm going to introduce later. I have an avocado here too, optional. So let's start it. Let's put this thing together. It's going to be powerful. So here has the tomato. I sliced them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to add some black ground pepper, just a little bit of salt, shake this stuff off. You can cook more, but I'm just doing this little bit because I'm trying to demo to you what I'm doing. If you like onions, the onions I cook it in half. This is the small ones from the green onions. Cut it in half. I'm going to add them there too. Add a little bit more of oil. Because I'm going to roast these babies, you know that? A little bit of salt. A little bit of black ground pepper too. That's simple. I have an oven-friendly gas iron. I'm going to put the tomatoes here. Why not, right? Because I'm going to roast this baby. Going to put the onions too. Hopefully all of them fit. There's the onions. I got a couple habaneros. I'm going to put them here too. I'm going to roast this baby. High heat, for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it stops preheating, I'm going to put it in the oven and let them cook. I have here some bell pepper. I almost forgot about it. Going to add it here. Put a little bit of oil on it. I'm going to put them here so they get some. I get to roast them too, okay? So here I have the chorizo. Just going to open the casing and the bag and have it ready. It's going to be very simple, okay? Let's keep it simple. I have a small pot here, cast iron. Tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you wanted to. Preheating the thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it simple. Get this baby out, the chorizo out, see? That's simple. Beef chorizo. And I'm going to cook it. Medium high for now. Ooh, can smell it. You don't have to add anything because this chorizo typically have all you need. Look at this baby. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some of my cilantro. Not all, because you want to say some. See? Just to add the fragrance and the earthy flavor. I reduce the heat to a couple notches below medium. Let it go for a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch. Just a little bit. Keeping things real. Let me put it too low. This is almost done, by the way. See? Kind of making it a little bit more solid. Now, if you have the type of chorizo that when you break it, it becomes like, I don't know, like picadillo style, that's fine too. That's another option. But I have this type, which is more like stewy, you know, a little bit stewy. So look at this, baby. See? This is ready. Just going to use a little bit of vegetable oil. You can go with extra virgin olive oil too. Just a little bit, preheating. Let me float it around. Because what I'm going to cook now is the taco shell, tortilla, whatever you want to call it, for my taco. You're supposed to cook these babies, okay? And I'm going to cook it and have it ready as my stuff are in the oven. The other stuff. So you're going to do this about 30 seconds in one side, maybe a minute, and then you're going to flip it and do the same, and you repeat the process with the other one, okay? Very simple. Going to reduce the heat, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook an egg or two. Hopefully I don't burn them here. Look at this baby. Let me do two. Everybody knows how to fry eggs, so I don't have to spend too much time here, okay? I'd say about 30 minutes later, here we have it. Turn it off and get it out.